sell crop insurance, we go about it a little different way. Try to look at it from a farmer, in a tractor seat instead of behind a desk, just because that's what I know, that's what I've always done. I enjoy it, I got a passion for it, and I want everybody in here to be profitable. If y'all are profitable, I can be profitable. And I know what it's like. I've been there. I know what you need. When I was farming so much back, I quit farming in 2019, but I hand out a lot of payments now to people that I can use when I was farming that I didn't get because I'm uninsured the right way. So that's really my goal, is to make sure that everybody's insured the right way and you're not missing out on any of these payments. Because right now, especially with the commodity prices being down, you can't miss out on these things. And looking at it from a true, insuring your money, insuring your crop, looking at it from an ag, just looking at it there, because there's a lot of policies out there, and it's like tools in a toolbox. So if we go to them, we look at all of them, we make sure that we're using all the tools, we're going to be successful. And a lot of these programs and these direct payments that's always been out there, those are kind of going away from the government. So we got to replace that with something. And the way to replace that is to make sure that we're insured the right way. And I'd be happy. And keeping good records. We're gonna give y'all one of those for y'all leave. That really does help everything. That helps me, that helps y'all. And I know that's the hardest thing and the most aggravating thing in the world to do, is keep the records and keep everything straight. But if we can do it in a timely manner, that just helps the whole process all the way through. And if we can put your stuff in, I'd be happy to sit down with y'all and go through that program that Brooks was talking about earlier. That'll actually show us the best policy. And we can tweak it and do all the things to it, but it'll actually show us where to start to make sure that y'all are insured the right way. Because if you've got the same policy that you had 10 years ago, you're either overinsured or underinsured. One of the two just happened. But y'all, if anybody's got any questions, y'all get with me. I'd be happy to sit down and look at the policy, look at your previous policy, and see if there's any changes that need to be made, and then look at some of this other stuff that's coming out to see if it's a better fit for any of you. We're going to give out those keeping good records on your way out. There's also, already on the table, okay. And then also on the table outside, Will Brown, our county extension agent, he has left the schedule of the meetings, so grab one of those on your way out. And another thing we will do, and we have done, we've been very successful, is making sure that the grant information that's out there to the farmer. If you go to the FSA offices, they're just going to be like, we don't know. But if I'd have known when I was farming what I know now about insurance, how to really be insured the right way, I'd still be farming. That's how big a deal it is. And I said I didn't have time, and I didn't put any effort into it, and either didn't know, and my guy didn't know, and I missed out on all those checks. So I'd still be farming, doing what I love, if I'd have been insured the right way. It took time to learn it. So now this is a new passion, so I'd be happy to sit down with anybody and make sure you're insured the right way. Well, thank everybody again for coming. We really appreciate it. I hope y'all learned something, got something out of it. Feel free to call me. My number's on the website. If you need a business card, I got them right here in the pocket. So thank you. Thank y'all again. We really appreciate it. Very impressive as always. Y'all couldn't have done it without that. All right. Thank y'all. Y'all drive safe.